Welcome to this geometry lesson. Today, we are going to learn about the volume of prisms. Specifically, we will understand the general formula that works for all prisms: base area times height. First, let's define what a prism actually is. A prism is a three-dimensional shape that has two identical ends, which we call bases. It also has flat sides, or faces. If you were to slice it anywhere along its length, the cross-section would look exactly the same as the base. Volume is simply a measure of how much space a three-dimensional object occupies. You can imagine it as the number of small unit cubes, like sugar cubes, that you would need to fill the object completely. Here is the magic formula for finding the volume of any prism. Volume equals capital B times H in this formula. Capital B stands for the area of the base, and H stands for the height of the prism. It is that simple. The most important step is to correctly identify the base, or capital B. The base is the face that gives the prism its name. It is one of the two identical ends. Sometimes the prism might be lying on its side, but remember, the base is the unique shape at the end, not necessarily the bottom. Next, we find the height. Represented by h, the height is the perpendicular distance connecting the two bases. If the prism is standing up, it is the vertical height. If it is lying down, it is the length between the two ends. Let's try an example with a rectangular prism. First, we calculate the area of the base. Here, the base is a rectangle, 5 centimeters by 4 centimeters, so the area is 20 square centimeters. The height is 10 centimeters. Multiplying 20 by 10 gives us a volume of 200 cubic centimeters. Now let's look at a triangular prism. The base here is a triangle. The area of a triangle is half the base times height. So, half of 6 times 4 is 12 square meters. The length, or height, of the prism is 10 meters. 12 times 10 gives us a volume of 120 cubic meters. Why does this formula work? Think of the base area as a single sheet of paper shaped like the base. To get the volume, you are essentially stacking these sheets on top of each other until you reach the full height of the prism. To summarize, prisms have two identical bases. To find the volume, step 1 is to identify that base shape and calculate its area. Step 2 is to multiply that area by the height of the prism. Just remember, volume equals base area times height.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.